Hello, welcome back to my channel YouTube. You have probably seen it before. A simple number, 13. You may see it on a biker vest, on a motorcycle, or stitched into a patch. But what does it really mean? Is about motorcycles? Is it about rebellion? Is it connected to marijuana? Or does it have something to do with being your own judge and jury? The truth is, there is no single meaning behind the number 13, and its story gets much deeper than most people realize. Today, we're going to uncover the untold story behind 13 in biker culture. Ask 10 people what 13 means in biker culture, and you might get 10 different answers. Some people say 13 represents the 13 letter of the alphabet, the letter M. Some connect the letter M with motorcycles, others connect it with marijuana. There is another popular explanation. 12 people sit on a jury. So number 13 represents the person outside the 12. Someone who answers only to themselves, their own judge, their own jury. But here is the interesting part. These are interpretation. They are not a universal rule. The meaning of 13 can change. It can depend on the club, the location, the time period, and the person wearing it. To understand churches, we have to go back in time, before the modern image of the biker, before the famous leather vest, before the modern motorcycle club culture. Let's go back to California. The year was 1937. Motorcycle racing was becoming an important part of American motorcycle culture. And in Southern California, a group of motorcycle racers came together. They called themselves 13 Rebels Motorcycle Club. According to the club's history, the organization was founded in 1937 by 13 top amateur racers from Southern California. The world was built around motorcycle racing, brotherhood, and friendship. And this is important because it shows us something. The number 13 was not created only by the image of the outlaw bikers. One of its important historical connections actually comes from motorcycle racing. The story of the 13 Rebel gives us an important clue. 13 was not simply chosen because it looked mysterious. It became part of the club identity. The club was deeply connected to motorcycle racing, including flat track and TT racing. Its members became important figures in the motorcycle racing world. Some even became recognized in motorcycle racing history. So when we look at Surgeon from this historical perspective, we see something different. Not just rebellion, not just danger, but competition, brotherhood, identity, and motorcycle history. As motorcycle culture grew, symbol became more important. Biker Fest could tell a story without saying a single word, a club name, a location, a year, a rank, a symbol, and sometimes a number. 13 became one of the symbols seen in different parts of motorcycle culture. But there is something important to remember. A watch does not automatically tell you everything about the person wearing it. Context matters, the design matters, the placement matters, the color matters, and hairstyle matters. So when you see the number 13, don't immediately assume you know what it means. Now we come to one of the most famous explanations. 13 is the 13th letter of the alphabet M. And because M can stand for motorcycle, some people connect 13 with motorcycle culture. Other interpretation connect M with marijuana. But here's where things get complicated. Different sources tell different versions of the story. There is no single explanation that applies to every rider, every club, or every generation. That's why 13 should never be reduced to just one meaning. Because the story behind the number is more complicated than that. There is another interesting interpretation. 12 people sit on a jury. So what is number 13? The person outside the 12, the person who stand apart, the person who answer only to himself, their own judge, their own jury. It's a powerful idea and it fits the larger image of motorcycle culture. Independence, individuality, and freedom. But once again, this is an interpretation is not a universal biker rules. There is another fascinating part of the story. For a very long time, 13 has been considered unlucky in many Western cultures, but motorcycle culture has often embraced symbols that challenge traditional ideas. So, for some readers, 13 can mean the opposite. Instead of fearing bad luck, they embrace it. Instead of running from superstition, they challenge it. In that sense, 13 can become a symbol of confidence, a reminder not to be controlled by fear. And this is where things become important because 13 is sometimes portrayed as automatically meaning drugs, crime, or outlaw motorcycles club. But there's an oversimplification. Motorcycles history is much more complicated. Take the 13 Rebels Motorcycles Club as an example. The club describes itself as law-abiding and family-oriented. Its history emphasizes motorcycles, racing, brotherhood, and community. So the same number can exist in completely different contexts, and symbol can have many stories. So what does 13 really mean? The honest answer is it depends. It can represent motorcycle culture. It can have historical connection to motorcycles club. It can represent independence. It can be connected to different interpretation of the letter M. And for some reader, it may simply be a number that has personal meaning. The biggest mistake is assuming that every 13 meant the same thing because biker culture was not built from one story, it was built from thousands of stories. Maybe that's what makes 13 so interesting. It doesn't belong to just one person, one club, or one interpretation. But the number has traveled through decades of motorcycle history, and its meaning has changed along the way from motorcycle racing to motorcycles club to fetish and eventually to modern biker identity. 13 became more than just a number, it became a symbol, and like every symbol, its meaning depends on the story behind it. So the next time you see the number 13 on a motorcycle or on a biker vest, don't be too quick to assume you know what it means. Look at the history, look at the context, and look at the story behind the symbol, because sometimes the small symbol can carry the biggest story. If you want to discover more hidden story from motorcycle culture, subscribe to the channel because there are many more stories waiting to be uncovered.